In this video, I'll guide you through how to adjust or change Steam Store filters and store preferences. Steam offers a variety of store preference settings that allow you to personalize your browsing experience. By adjusting these options, you can control the types of games, recommendations, and community content that appear while you're using the Steam Store. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find these settings and explain what each section is used for. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. As always, make sure to keep your account information secure, especially if you're using a shared device. Next, locate your profile name near the top right corner of the Steam window. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Then select Store Preferences. This page contains several categories that let you customize how content is displayed throughout the Steam Store. The first section you'll come across includes Mature Content Preferences. Here, you can choose whether certain mature or age-restricted content is shown while browsing the store. Adjust these options according to your personal preferences and account requirements. Next, review the store content preferences. This area lets you customize the types of games and content you're interested in seeing. Selecting the categories that match your interests helps Steam provide more relevant recommendations while reducing content that doesn't match your preferences. You'll also find Community Content Preferences. These settings determine how community-created content, including user reviews, screenshots, guides, and other contributions, appears while you're browsing different game pages. Another useful section is the Discovery Queue Preferences. Steam uses these settings to recommend games based on your interests, so adjusting them can make your personalized recommendations more relevant over time. If you use Steam across different operating systems, take a look at the Platform Preferences section. Here you can specify the platforms you're interested in, allowing Steam to prioritize games that are compatible with your preferred devices. You'll also see Steam Deck Preferences, which can be adjusted if you own or plan to use a Steam Deck. These settings help highlight games that are optimized or verified for the handheld system. Finally, review the Broadcast Preferences. This section allows you to manage broadcast visibility and control how game broadcasts are displayed while you're using Steam. That's all there is to it. You now know how to adjust and customize your Steam Store filters and store preferences for a more personalized browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.